Okay, so I have heard that you are a drug abuser.
Who cares?
A lot of people care. And how do you feel about using drugs?
Awesome.
Okay.
I feel great.
How do you feel great doing drugs? There's no...
They make me feel happy, okay?
Well, you're not... Well, you make you feel
Scary.
happy, but it... Oh, thank you. That was good. Okay, and drugs may feel good in the beginning, but in the long run, they don't help you.
Who gives a beep about what I do?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, if they're so good, then I would have been having them. But oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Screw you, Dr. Phil!
Stop! Freeze! Back away from Dr. Phil.
Ow! Oh!
Sit down in your seat
Oh
and
my-
act like nothing has just happened. And act like nothing has just happened.
Whoa, I feel weird. I think you snuck drugs in me when I was down. Whoa. 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 Nah! Nah! Do you want to...
Yeah!
Oh, that was awesome. Whoa! Oh! Ow! Ow!
Nicole, I think someone is making out with another person.
Whoa!
That worked.
I guess it did.
Hey, I don't want you to make out with him anymore.
Don't touch my chair. That is my bed. Oh my god! No! No! I was supposed to be helping your problems. Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa. What'd I do? No! No. Because you are a drug abuser. Oh, I don't.
Oh, I'm gonna
Oh, thank you. You know what? I think you're stupid. I cannot do this to you anymore. So you go and use your drugs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Ow! Would you stop asking me that question? No, you're cute. No, you're retarded. You're retarded. Wait, why did she say naked? Thank you. Now go. Now go away.
I need to clean up.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Hate that person. Ah!
Screw you, Dr. Phil!
Screw you. That's pretty. Look at this. This thing's pretty. Look.
I think Dr. Phil's high.
No, I'm not. Look at this. Oh, you're
I think Dr. Phil's high.
No, but look at this. Look how pretty this looks. See?
Yeah, right.
You're pretty. You're pretty. You're pretty. Oh my god. And you're gorgeous.
I think you're retarded. Whoa. Whoa.
I think you're drunk, Dr. Phil.
Wow. You're so amazingly...
Look at the pretty lady.
Oh my gosh.
I zoom in on the pretty lady. And the drunk idiot right there.
You deserve that. Ow! Sorry.
Woo!
Yes.
Break my pocket watch, you're dead.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
Ooh, pretty.
Look at the pretty lady again. Say hi, pretty lady. Hi.
My name is Dr. Phil.
Look at Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil! They call
Nathan.